Hey guys, this is Ravi Raj and welcome to the channel Tech Differences. So from past few days I was actually busy in building a custom PC case mod which is based on Among Us game theme. So in this video we'll check the final result or the final case which is being developed. This is not actually a tutorial on how exactly I have built it. It is just a final result that we will be seeing in this video. So this is Deepcool MacCube 310p original case. This is how it looks, and this is the modified version. We have modified it in the theme Among Us. So do let me know in the comment section if you want me to post the video on tutorial on how to build this particular case, and if you like the video, do like and subscribe.